How to get Project Playtime on mobile. So if you want to get Project Playtime on your mobile, then as you know that it's not available on the Play Store, right? So what you need to do is just simply go with your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And here you need to search for Project Playtime Download APK. Once you've searched here, you will have all of the websites that will provide you the APK version. So you just need to simply tap on any option that you're comfortable with, and it will take you to the browser or the website, and here you will have an option of free download button. So you just need to simply tap on the button which says free download, and after that it will start the downloading process. Just remove the ad and tap on free APK download, and the download has been started. So wait for a few seconds or a few minutes and it will start the downloading process. So in my case it says 3 minutes, and after downloading you can double tap on that and you can install the application. So that's how you can get Project Playtime on your mobile, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.